Hello everyone and welcome back to Healthy and Me by Vichheka. If you're new here, we share natural health remedies, wellness tips and superfood recipes that you can make easily at home. Today, we're making 3 simple but powerful drinks and remedies that can help reduce cholesterol, boost heart health and improve energy levels. And number 1, beetroot and orange juice. This combination not only tastes amazing, but is also known to reduce cholesterol, boost heart health, and increase energy levels. And if you've been looking for a natural way to support your body, especially your heart, this juice could be the answer. Why beetroot is powerful? Beetroot has been called a circulation superfood. Why? Because it's loaded with soluble fiber, helps trap and remove excess cholesterol from your digestive system. Betalains, natural plant pigments that give beetroot its deep red color and act as antioxidants to reduce inflammation. Nitrates, these convert into nitric oxide in your body, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. This means better oxygen delivery to your heart, brain and muscles. Regular consumption of beetroot juice has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol, improve stamina and reduce blood pressure. So if you've been feeling low on energy or worried about your cholesterol, beetroot is one ingredient you should not ignore. Why orange complements beetroot? Now let's talk about oranges. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C, but they're also packed with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps reduce cholesterol absorption in your gut. They also contain flavonoids, which protect your arteries from damage and reduce the risk of plaque buildup. And let's not forget, oranges add a refreshing sweetness that balances the earthy taste of beetroot. This way, you get a drink that's both healthy and delicious. So when beetroot and orange come together, they create a cholesterol-fighting, immunity-boosting powerhouse. How to make beetroot and orange juice ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped, 2 fresh oranges, peeled and segmented, 1 small piece of ginger, optional, adds a spicy kick and helps circulation, 1 cup of water. Method: 1. Peel and chop the beetroot into small cubes. Peel the oranges and remove any seeds. 3. Place beetroot, oranges and ginger in a blender. 4. Add 1 cup of water for a smoother blend. 5. Blend until completely smooth. 6. Strain if you want a lighter texture, or drink as is for more fiber. Tip: if you prefer a sweeter taste, add a teaspoon of honey or a few pineapple chunks. Enjoy it chilled or with ice. It makes the drink even more refreshing. Health benefits recap. Drinking beetroot and orange juice regularly can lower LDL cholesterol, soluble fiber and antioxidants reduce bad cholesterol levels. Protect your heart. Beetroot improves blood circulation, while oranges keep your arteries clear and flexible. Boost immunity. Vitamin C from oranges strengthens your immune system. Support liver detox. Beetroot helps cleanse the liver and remove toxins. Increase natural energy. Beetroot nitrates improve oxygen use. Anti-aging benefits. Antioxidants slow cell damage, keeping your skin glowing and youthful. This juice is a complete health booster in 1 glass. 2. Okra water remedy for lower cholesterol. Next, let's look at a simple and natural remedy that's gaining a lot of attention. Okra water. Yes, the same vegetable you may know as lady's finger can actually help lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and support overall heart health when soaked in water and consumed daily. What is okra water? Okra water is made by soaking fresh okra pods in water overnight. During this time, the okra releases a thick gel-like substance called mucilage This mucilage is rich in soluble fiber and nutrients that have powerful effects on cholesterol, blood sugar, and digestion. Why okra helps lower cholesterol? Okra contains soluble fiber that binds with cholesterol in the digestive system, helping the body flush it out. It reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and may increase HDL, good cholesterol. Antioxidants in okra fight inflammation and plaque buildup, keeping your arteries healthy. Studies suggest that people who regularly consume okra have lower cholesterol and better cardiovascular health. Other health benefits of okra water. Besides lowering cholesterol, okra water may help control blood sugar, slows down sugar absorption, improve digestion. Mucilage soothes the gut and reduces constipation. Support weight management. Fiber helps you feel full longer. Improve skin and hair health. Vitamin C and K support collagen and hair growth. Boost immunity. Rich in antioxidants and nutrients. How to make okra water ingredients. 3 to 4 fresh okra pods. 1 glass of water. Method. 1. Wash the okra thoroughly. 2. Cut off the ends and slice lengthwise. 3. Place the pieces in a glass of water. 4. Cover and let soak overnight, 8 to 10 hours. 5. In the morning, remove the okra pieces and drink the water on an empty stomach. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Drink. Once a day is enough. If you have kidney problems or are on medication, check with your doctor first. Pregnant women should also consult a healthcare professional before starting. So if you're looking for a natural way to lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and boost your health, try drinking okra water in the morning. 3. Apple and carrot juice. Finally, let's look at apple and carrot juice, another natural drink that can lower cholesterol, support heart health, and boost overall wellness. This recipe is delicious, packed with nutrients and easy to prepare at home. Why apple? Rich in pectin, a soluble fiber that binds cholesterol and removes it from the body. Contains polyphenols, antioxidants that protect blood vessels from plaque. Regular consumption is linked to a lower risk of heart disease and stroke. An apple a day keeps the doctor away is especially true for heart health. Why carrot? Rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. Contains soluble fiber that lowers LDL, bad cholesterol. Supports liver function, which helps process cholesterol. Naturally sweet, making the juice enjoyable without added sugar. Together, apple and carrot create a juice that's both heart protective and energizing. How to make apple and carrot juice ingredients. 2 medium apples, washed, cored, chopped. 2 medium carrots, peeled and chopped. A half lemon, optional for extra vitamin C and flavour. 1 cup water. Method. Wash apples and carrots well. 2. Cut them into small pieces. 3. Add apples, carrots and lemon to a blender. 4. Pour in 1 cup of water and blend until smooth. 5. Strain if you prefer lighter juice, or drink as a smoothie for more fibre. Best enjoyed fresh, in the morning, or as an afternoon refreshment. Health benefits. Recap, drinking apple and carrot juice regularly can lower LDL cholesterol with pectin and fibre, protect the heart with antioxidants, boost immunity with vitamin C and beta-carotene, aid digestion with natural fibre, enhance skin health for a natural glow. So there you have it, a delicious and natural juice to help lower cholesterol and improve your heart health. Try this recipe a few times a week and feel the difference. Final closing. So friends, these 3 natural remedies, beetroot and orange juice, okra water, and apple and carrot juice, are simple, affordable, and effective ways to help lower cholesterol naturally. Remember, natural remedies work best with a healthy lifestyle, balanced meals, and regular exercise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Healthy and Me by Vichheka for more natural remedies and wellness tips.